At this point in the install, we have Matt getting a QR map for the solar energy system. So at the very start of your journey, we create a full 3D model of your home and we design a system for maximum solar capture for it. When we are installing and all of the optimizers are ready to go, we create what's known as a QR map. And this is a very important thing that goes right into the binder when your install is done that you get. What the QR map does is it takes that 3D model and system design and directly translates that to per module monitoring for your monitoring software for the next 20 years. The reason that this document is very important is this shows how the strings are put together, which means that when we are looking at maintaining a system over the long term, we're not playing battleship at year 15 to try to figure something else. And this ultimately reduces the costs to maintain a solar energy system for the homeowner. So what we're seeing here is Matt is going along, and now that the optimizers are all put together, he's creating his map. When we're done the install, he's the guy that goes ahead and actually creates the monitoring software and provides the access for you so you can monitor your system.
Astronauts report it feels good.